Hi friends, welcome to all. In this video we will see the basic IPv6 addressing. Here we will use a router 1941, also two switches 2960, then PCs, we will rename these devices. This is R1, here is S1, and this is S2. Now we will connect these devices. Coming to connections, copper straight through from R1 G0/0 to this S1 G0/1, from R1 G0/1 to S2 G0/1. Now we will connect these PCs, PC0 to S1 FA0/1, from PC1 FA0/2, coming to PC2 S2 FA0/1, from PC3 S2 FA0/2. Here we can see total 2 networks, so we will highlight those networks here. Here we can see one network. And here is the second one. Now we will come to any one of these PCs. We will come to PC0, desktop, IP configuration, and here we can see the IP configuration details. Here we can give IPv4 address, so here we are going to configure IPv6. So here we can see IPv6 address. Here we can see link local address, and already given the IPv6 address here. Also we can see IPv6 Gateway and IPv6 DNS server. So here by default we can see this link local address which is starting from FE80::. We can verify on the other PCs. Coming to PC1, desktop, IP configuration. Here also we can see this link local address starting with the FE80::. And coming to PC2, desktop, IP configuration. Here we can see that link local address. And coming to PC3, desktop, IP configuration, link local address started with the FE80::. Coming back to PC0, IP configuration, and here also we had seen this link local address. So how it generated this link local address here? We can see here a 64-bit IPv6 address. How it's generated? So we will see that. Here this link local address is created with the help of the MAC address of this device. So here we will verify the MAC address of this PC, that is PC0. Coming to command prompt, here we can give the command ipconfig /all, and here we can see the details. Here we can see physical address, it's 00d.bd9e.dbcb. Also here we can see the link local IPv6 address. Here we can see this physical address is of 48 bits. So here they converted this physical address 48 bits into 64 bits link local IPv6 address. So how they converted that, we will see this now. We will copy this physical address from here and we will put in a notepad, and we will see how they converted this physical address into link local IPv6 address. Here is our MAC address. What we are going to do here, we are going to add 16 more bits with this MAC address. So here we have to find out the mid of this physical address. It's obviously here, that is 24 bits left side. Also here we can see 24 bits right side. So here in this mid we are going to add FFFE. Now we will divide this into hextet. So here we can see one hextet, then here we can see one hextet, here we have one hextet. So here we can see total 64 bits now. Here one more thing we have to do it. So here we are going to flip the 7th bit from this first octet. Now what I am going to do, I am going to write the binary of these two zeros, that is 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So here we can see the 7th bit, here is that we are going to flip that from 0 to 1. So here we got this binary, so it's, we can see it's a 0, then here is a 2, it's 0 and this is a 2. Now we will change our address here. Here we have to change to 0 2. So we got this address 020D colon BDFF colon FE9E colon DBCB. Now here we can see this is of 64 bits. So in the beginning we are going to add this FE80 double colon. So this is the link local address. So we will verify with our PC now. We will copy this address and we will bring to this Cisco packet tracer, and here we can see PC0. Just I will paste here in this IPv6 address field for matching with this link local address. Here we can see both are same. So we can remove this 0 from here. Both are same. The same way we can see this link local IPv6 address on these other PCs. We can verify it on PC1 command prompt. Here we will give ipconfig/all, and here we can see the physical address. So here we can see this 77C2C3, it's here. Then we added this FFFE. Also here we can see this 009021. So here it become 290, yes, 29021, it's correct. Also we can verify it on this PC2 command prompt, ipconfig/all, and here we can see that FE80 double colon, then here we can see it become 202, here we can see that, then here we can see 4A, here we can see 4A, then we added this FFFE here, then we have 463909, 463909. Right, so here this link local address is locally significant. So we will copy this address, that is the link local address of PC0. Then we will ping from PC1 to its link local address, coming to PC1 command prompt, and we will ping to PC0 link local address, and here we can see we are getting the replies. Also we can try from this network. So we will get the link local IPv6 address of this PC, that is PC3. IP configuration, and here we can see the link local address. So we will copy this address, and coming to PC2 command prompt, here we will ping to this link local address. Here we can see we are getting the replies. Now we will configure a link local IPv6 address for these interfaces G0/0 and G0/1 on this router R1. Coming to this router R1 CLI. Would you like to enter the initial configuration dialog? No. Enable configure terminal. We will set the host name as R1. Now we will go to the interface G0/0. And we will set IPv6 address, very important. So here we have to set IPv6 link local address. So we will give here FE80 double colon 1. So we will use this address as a link local address. So we have to give this command link local, link local. And now we will give no shut command here. Right. Now we will configure for the interface G0/1, interface gigabit Ethernet 0/1, and we will set this IPv6 address. Here also we are going to give FE80 double colon 1. So as I told earlier, this link local IPv6 address is locally significant. Then we can give a link local. Right. We have to give no shut command here. G0/1 and no shutdown. Right. Copy running config, startup config. Now here we can see the link between these devices R1 and S1, R1 and S2 are up. We can verify the configuration on this router R1. Show running config. Here we can see the interface G0/0, and here we can see IPv6 address. Here is that. Here we can see no IP address, that means no IPv4 address. Here we can see interface G0/1, no IPv4 address. And here we can see IPv6 address, link local address. Oh, here one thing we forget to configure. That is nothing but enabling IPv6 on this router R1. For that we have to use the command IPv6 unicast routing in global configuration mode. One thing we have to keep in mind, by default IPv6 traffic forwarding is disabled. So we have to enable this IPv6 traffic forwarding using the command IPv6 space unicast routing. So now we will do that in this router R1. Enable configure terminal. Here we will give IPv6 unicast routing. Now we may be thinking that, is it possible to ping from this network to this network using this link local IPv6 address? Obviously not, because previously I told that this link local IPv6 address is locally significant. But still we will try to ping from this network to this network. So we will get the IPv6 address of this PC2. IP configuration, here is a link local address, we will copy that. And here we can see we did not specify the IPv6 gateway. So anyways, it's not going to communicate. Coming to PC0, command prompt, ping 2. Here we are waiting for the replies. Request timed out. No, it's not. Now we are going to configure a global unicast address for these interfaces on this router R1, so that these networks are going to communicate each other. Here I given the IPv6 address, I mean the global unicast address for these interfaces G0/0 and G0/1 on this router R1. Here we can see that we will configure, we will assign this address on this interface G0/0 2001:db8:a:8:1/64. Then for this interface G0/1 we will assign 2001:db8:a:_b. Here we can see the subnet is changed, so they are in different networks. :1/64. Coming to the configuration of this router R1. Enable configure terminal, we will go to the interface G0/0, and here we will give IPv6 address 2001:db8:a:, :A::A double colon 1 slash 64, and we will go to the interface G0/1, and here we will give IPv6 address 2001 colon db8 colon A colon B double colon 1 slash 64. Copy running config, startup config. Now we will verify the configuration. Show running config, and here we can see the details. Interface G0/0. Here we can see global unicast address, what we set now. On this interface G0/1, here we can see that global unicast address. Now we will give one more show command. Show IPv6 interface brief, and here we can see the details. Gigabit Ethernet 0/0. Here we can see the address. Here we can see the status and the protocol up. Then Gigabit Ethernet 0/1. Here we can see the link local address, and here we can see global unicast address. Now we are going to set IPv6 and default gateway address for these end devices so that these two networks are going to communicate each other. Coming to this PC0, here we can see we used this network address 2001 colon db8 colon A colon A double colon. So we will assign an IPv6 address for this PC0. 2001 colon db8 colon A colon A double colon. Here we will use 10. Now we have to give this prefix here. It's 64, and here we have to give IPv4 gateway. Here we will give FE80 double colon 1. And coming to this PC1 IP configuration, here we will give IPv6 address 11, then here prefix 64, then the IPv4 gateway FE80 double colon 1. Now we will do it on this PC2 IP configuration. Here previous two PCs we given the static option, we given the IPv6 address and IPv4 gateway. I'm sorry, IPv6 gateway. So here what we are going to do, here we are going to give this auto config option. So here we can see automatically this IPv6 address is assigned here. Also we can see the prefix here, and also here we can see IPv6 gateway. Yes, it's really easy. Here we can see this subnet part. It took from the router interface G0/1. Here we can see that 2001 colon db8 colon A colon B. Then here we can see this is the 64-bit address formed with the help of this MAC address of this PC2. Here we can see that same ID. Here we can see. The same way we will do it on this PC3 IP configuration. Here even we can give manually. So we will copy this and we will paste it here, and we have to change here 2001 colon db8 colon A colon B, then this address. Now we have to give the prefix, it's a 64, and IPv6 gateway it's FE80 double colon 1. Now we will verify the connectivity. We will ping from this network to this network. So here we will get the IPv6 address of this PC3. Here is that. Coming to PC0, command prompt, and we will ping to that PC. Here is the address, and here we can see we are getting the replies. Coming to PC1, command prompt, ping to this PC. We are getting the replies. Also, we will ping from PC2 to these PCs. We will get the IPv6 address of PC0. Here is that. Coming to PC2, command prompt, ping to this PC, and here we can see we are getting the replies. Also, we'll try to 11, and here we can see we are getting the replies. Well, in this video we have seen a very basic IPv6 addressing. Here we can see the show commands we used here. Also here we can see the configuration we done on this router R1. Friends, if you have any doubt regarding IPv6 addressing, please comment below. Also, if you like my video, give a thumb and share with your friends. And if you like to get these type of videos in future, consider subscribing. Thank you.